If you drive an older Volvo, especially an XC60 or S60 from that classic era, you know exactly how annoying a sticky or broken cup holder cover can be. That little roller shutter is often the first thing to fail, making your center console look permanently messy and cheap. This replacement cover, part number 39,868,873, promises to be the perfect, factory-spec fix for years of frustration. We're looking at a direct replacement piece, specifically designed for the XC60 models between 2009 and 2017, and the S60 and S60L from 2011 up to 2019. This isn't some universal trim piece. It's engineered to match the original specifications exactly. This is absolutely crucial because with interior trim, even a millimeter off means a terrible fit, gaps, and a shutter that jams immediately. The manufacturer emphasizes that they use advanced production equipment to ensure this plastic component meets high-quality standards, aiming to provide the best performance and reliability. The beauty of a part like this isn't about adding features. It's about restoring the original, clean aesthetic of your Volvo interior. When this cover works smoothly, gliding open and closed without catching or jamming, it instantly elevates the feel of the whole cabin. It's a small detail, but details matter, especially in a premium vehicle. Installation should be straightforward for anyone comfortable with basic interior trim removal, as it's designed as a direct swap. Just remember to carefully check the product model and those specific part numbers, 39,868,873 or 39,868,875, before purchasing to ensure compatibility with your specific vehicle year. This isn't a flashy upgrade, but it's an essential restoration piece. If your Volvo's cup holder curtain is jammed, sticky, or missing, this replacement offers a high-quality, perfect-fit solution that brings back that factory-fresh feeling to your center console. It's a simple fix that makes a huge difference in daily driving satisfaction.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.